They don't break internet. Gehgeh don't break. Gehgeh don't deceive everybody. Don't hide, go marry. Gehgeh don't spoil my life. Gehgeh don't spoil my life. All my relationship.
I'm calm. I'm calm. I'm not shouting. I'm not shouting. Maybe it's a prank. Yes, it can be a prank. Yes, I know it's a prank. God, just let it be a prank. Gehgeh! Gehgeh! Just tell me!
Where they listed to professor. Hey, Gehgeh University has finished me. My professor. Oh, Gehgeh don't hide, go marry. Gehgeh don't deceive us. Don't waste our life. Deceive us, finish, hide, go marry.
With everything wey dey happen for this world, with everything wey dey happen for this world, any day una catch me say Gehgeh marry, bro na juju o, that woman use juju on me. Una catch me well, hold me, tie me go selection, make dem flog craze comot my head. Na juju that woman use on me. They need to clear that juju comot for my eye.
Gehgeh don't break internet, oh, as we can see. Gehgeh don't hide, go marry. It's official. Gehgeh is officially married. And not just see the wife get belly. Person wey say mo don't marry, wey make me break up with my babe. Babe who I love so much. Big Gehgeh do me this kind of thing. Oh God. Obi Abawa Alam. Oh, Gehgeh has finished me. My 5 years relationship. Now I listen to Professor. Professor make me go break up. Gehgeh has broken the internet or more. See how the whole wedding went down.
Stay alone, stay for yourself. Make loneliness master you, so that in case people leave you, e no go be like say your life don collapse, because people must surely live your life.
I'm calm. I'm calm. I'm not shouting. I'm not shouting. Maybe it's a prank. Yes, it can be a prank. Yes, I know it's a prank. God, just let it be a prank. Gehgeh! Gehgeh! Just tell me what I'm saying online is not true. Whoa! I don't know will be the last comment of a fool. This boy, you nearly spoiled my life. 1 year ago, you nearly spoiled. Thank God. Thank God. Nigerians! This boy don't spoil my brother's life finish. Even they spoil person life now where I know. I want to faint. Somebody shift, let me faint. Yeah. Gehgeh, just come out and debunk this thing. You are married, Ke. Do you know the numbers of boys that spoil their lives? Do you know? You now want to go and marry. You want to go and marry, Gehgeh? It's a prank. It's a lie. I say it's a lie. It can never be true. It's a lie. Gehgeh, you marry. Don't worry. Now me and you for this online. No worry. You open university. Finish. Put all of us for there. Thank God I don't graduate from your school. So now my own university will later come. Now married my university will later come. Yeah. Gehgeh marry Ke. I'm coming.